Take another swing, spin with the barnyard dog. Honey, you're reading it backwards. You go this way. Watch. Turn with the cow in a patch of clover, and I'll take a bow when the dance is over. With a quack and a moo and with an oink and a moo and a quack, 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 the dance is done, but we'll be back. The end. Again. Stomp your feet, clap your hands. Everybody ready for a barnyard dance? Now this way. Bow to the horse, bow to the cow. Twirl with the pig if you know how. Bounce with the bunny, strut with the duck. Spin with the chickens now, cluck, cluck, cluck. With a baa and a moo and a cock-a-doodle-doo, everybody promenade 2 by 2. Prance with the horses.